Welcome to your home sweet home. We are in Homosassa, Florida, and this is a excellent property that I want to show off to you so you can envision yourself living the Florida dream in the Sunshine State. So right off the bat, you see that one, we've got brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout this house, and it is showcasing the beautiful open concept. Check out the kitchen. There's so much space to work with here. Lots of cabinets, and before we go too far, let me show you this. This is your pantry storage here right next to the fridge, and you've got pullouts down below. So really awesome setup here to get organized, be able to cook, have guests. You've got a bar area there, fully equipped with all the appliances. Laundry room here that has additional storage, and you'll also notice there's doors on all different parts of this home that take you to the outside area. Great yard, really good size, and you've got that nice indoor-outdoor flow. We'll go on to that beautiful porch here in a minute, but I want to show you everything that the house has first. So over 1,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Here is the guest side. So this is one of the guest bedrooms, deep closet there. So if you are looking to have a winter residence and you know people are going to come visit and stay with you from time to time, these bedrooms are just the right size. They can be cozy, but not get so comfortable they want to move in permanently. So really nice setup for that. And then also if you just want to have office space, you've got that as well. There's a really fun extra feature I'm going to show you at the end of this video. So nice linen utility closet there. So stay with me because you're going to want to see this extra thing that this house has that you won't be expecting. Nice paneled doors, beautiful, very I want to say discreet colors, very light, very neutral colors in this house. There's a wallpaper, but it's just a really pretty pattern here. So it's ready for you to move in, and whatever you have for furniture and decor, because it's so neutral, everything should work well with this house. Every window has these lovely blinds. These are the very functional. They don't have the string. They just pull up and down very easily. So I love that. There's also curtain bars there in this bedroom where you could add that extra flair with your own curtains. Look at this great linen storage here in this bathroom. This is the primary suite. So it does have the 2 sinks. We've got the toilet tucked over here to the side, and then a nice shower. Lots of room in here, so if you are getting up and getting ready in the morning, you have plenty of room to move around and feel very comfortable as you get yourself together. So that's the house. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. HVAC was updated in 2013. It is central air. And now let's go outside. So here is the beautiful sunroom, and this is actually a sunroom. It has the vinyl windows, so it is comfortable throughout the year, and you can use it all the time. And then here we are in the yard. It's a fenced yard. It's getting a little stormy right now, which is good because we need rain. We've got the chickens here, a nice little chicken setup, so if you're wanting to have chickens, you are set. You're ready to go with that. But good space here for the dog. If you've got a dog, can run around and play. Dogs and chickens can get along together well. I've seen that happen. So you have lots of flexibility. Very nice shed where you can store all of your outdoor items, toys, what have you. And here, I'm going to take you to the surprise. I'm going to walk through this gate, and you're noticing here, I'm sure, that this little breezeway is attached right off of the sunroom, and there's this beautiful covered carport. You can park a couple of vehicles underneath. And look at this. This is the bonus room. This is 120 square feet of, I think actually it's 80 square feet of space where you can have a craft area, another office off of the house, a little, maybe a just storage area. It could be another bedroom if you wanted it to be, and it's very convenient to the house. So really a cool space. There's a lot of attic loft area up there as well. So great storage, and you've got the window air conditioning unit if you want to keep it cool. So that's an extra bonus that you don't always get on a property like this. So there you have it. This is a fantastic package, and I hope that you're seeing and envisioning what this Florida lifestyle could be like for you. Would love to tell you more about this property and give you your own private tour if you are interested. So reach out. My team and I are ready to help you. We are RES Luxury Group. We bring you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. You can reach us at 352-794-1426. I'm Ruth Squires, and I'm one of your realtors on demand on the RES Luxury Group team, and we are with eXp Realty. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a great day.